Hello traders, and welcome back to Trading with Bill, Options and Forex on a Tuesday, August 5th, 2014, coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Overcast skies, but not too bad. A little bit of white caps on the Gulf, and pretty nice and breezy and cool today. So we're not having to burn the AC today. It's kind of nice. Relaxing in the office, doing a lot of work. Got a lot going on, traders. Traders, you can always contact me at tradingwithbill.com. And also, remember, we're here helping losing traders become winning traders, and we just want to grab those profits. Traders, got a lot to talk to you about. Got some new things coming up I'm really excited about. If you had been to my website earlier today, you probably got a little idea what I'm going to talk about. But let's get the legal stuff out of the way, and this is the risk disclaimer. Forex and options trading has a large potential of rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the options and Forex markets. Traders, please do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Traders, always remember that past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Traders, new mugshot of myself. No, it's not the post office. I'm not wanted, but just a recent mugshot. Did that on Saturday. Had a little fun and had a good Saturday afternoon out with the ladies and some guys, and went to the beach and went to the gazebo and had a couple of cold ones and decided to get my picture taken. Crazy, I know. All right, let's get going. Don't want to be spending all day on this, so let's get over to options talk. Wow, crazy last week with the options. Everything sold off. We saw a lot of red. I'm going to show you some charts. I was looking at my computer last night in New York. It was 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I'm saying I should really get in these trades, but I just wasn't sure if these indices were going to continue to drop or if they were going to head up. And I'm going to show you, it's amazing, the market DNA indicator and some of these indicators were showing to take the trade. And the first one I'm going to show you is the Russell 2000. And I can absolutely kick myself about 15 times in the butt. I just took this shot of this about 15 minutes ago, and the trade absolutely worked. So we're going to talk about options first, and then we'll move over to the next topic, which is Forex. Here's the Russell. And you can see it's below the 200 exponential moving average from last week. And then you can see where yesterday started. So that started as a red candle, my friends. That was a red candle. But take a look at the bottom indicator, the market DNA. Look at that blue line above the 50% line. Our Stokes is up, and our MACD is turned to the upside. And I did not enter this trade. I was ready to enter it with 3 contracts. Traders, I would have been out of this today. This would have been it. I would have went into the market today. I was looking for 1125, and I would have made some really nice profit. I was getting in at 1100 was where I was getting in. And if I would have taken this trade, I would be a very happy camper in New York. And you know what? I hesitated, and I lost that opportunity. Sure, not going to take it now unless the open is really weak and is all the way back down close to 1100 again, which I doubt that's going to happen because, this is like trading anything else. You don't want to be trading into resistance, right? I don't want to trade this into a 200 exponential moving average on a daily chart. So, this trade I can't take. I just can't take this trade now. Now, it's either got to pull back or it's got to pop the 200, and that's going to put us at Wednesday, and I want to be out, beginning of New York, earliest at Friday, so my hesitation might have cost me that trade for this week. Let's take a look at another one of my favorites. Here's the spiders again. I didn't get into this, and now I just took these screenshots, so this indicator was not the same when I did this. In fact, it was pointing down. And if you look, the only one that was up was the MACD. The stochastics was down, and the market DNA was down. However, late in New York afternoon, this thing just popped to the upside, and away she went. but I just didn't feel comfortable taking that trade, especially at that point that I was looking at the candle. It was red and we had a doji next to it. And, the doji wasn't necessarily at any spot of significance where I would want to take the risk of trading into it. And now we are at 193.89, and, we've got the 55 EMA at 195.86. So I'm not real keen on jumping into this bad boy. This is going to have to hang. Sorry, it's just going to have to hang. I just don't want to jump into it. Don't want to be trading into resistance, right? Here's the IWM. Traders, I just took a shot at this. I did not see this yesterday. But again, look at how it popped up. Look at how the market DNA on the bottom of the charts. All the indicators gave us that jackknife to the upside. And this just worked out very, very nicely. All right. Like I said, I didn't see that last night. I wasn't looking at the IWM. I was really looking at the Russell and the spiders very hard. So the last one we're going to look at and talk about is Apple. Now, look at how Apple's, come down. It had excellent earnings. They got a lot of good stuff coming out. They have the iPhone 6 comes out in about less than a month. So, I'm looking for this to really pop to the upside. I'm really looking for this to pop to the upside. I think if we can get a date that they're going to have this where you can go buy it, I think this Apple is really going to go through the roof. And I got to be honest with you, I'm like all in a bull put on this one. And we're going to take this. If we can get a date, once they announce the date that you can go to the Apple store and buy it, we got to do a bull put vertical spread on this, and we'll see how that goes. All right, let's do a Forex update. Traders, we're looking at trading on a different system, same platform. It's a NinjaTrader platform. I will reveal the name of the system and all that stuff very, very shortly, like probably tomorrow. If you see, you might recognize it already. But this is, well, actually it's on there, I think. So it's no secret. I'll just tell you what it is. And we're looking to trade this. I took a live trade. I've been basically test running this system for about a week now. About 4 days, 4 trading days. So did a lot of work over the weekend on it, a lot of looking, not necessarily, I'm not really a big back testing kind of a guy, but I went back in the charts and tried to see if the signals were all good and stuff like that. But let me tell you, I did take a live trade in it yesterday, and I just want to give you a small peek at this. Now, you're probably saying to me, William, you've got to be out of your mind. This chart is just too crazy to be trading. It's very, very simple, traders. It's a very easy chart. And I'm going to show you some things. One is I want you to take a look at where I have my entry, and I have that arrow marked. That's my entry. That's where I entered the trade. Now, if you look on that last green candle that I entered on, look below that. You're going to see an arrow there. Above the arrow into the candle, you're going to see 2 dashed lines. That is the signal to enter the trade. Now, if you look at the arrow and look to the left, 2 candles, you're going to see a green dot. That's like the warning that there's a possible trade setup. Then you're going to get an arrow, and that's going to tell you there is a trade setup. And then you're going to get the dashed lines, which tells you that that is your entry to enter into the trade. You can see where my take profit was at 68.59, and that was where my trade started at. My stop was at 68.19, so it was about an 18 pip stop, and it was a 22 take profit on this. So we're looking at getting into this. This is on the NinjaTrader platform. This will not work on MT4. So what we're going to do is we are going to do both. We're going to give you charts both on a regular, well, it's a NinjaTrader, but regular candlesticks, and then on the DTS system. And if you look at the bottom here, the bottom of the chart, this indicator is not hard to figure out. All this indicator is, traders, is momentum. And you have green, you have the dot, which is telling you wake up, you get the arrow saying we have a setup, and then next thing you're going to get a 2 dashed lines, and that's telling you that we have an entry. The nice thing about this system is it's all verbal. So everything you do, you don't have to sit in front of the charts waiting either for an alert on your cell phone or wait, for something to happen. If you got your computer speakers up and you're in the 2 rooms, this will alert you that these situations are getting ready, and you can go to your computer and take a look at it. The other thing I wanted to tell you is you're probably saying, wow, those candles are kind of strange. That's correct. They are, actually, they're called a mean Renko. Now, you all know what a Renko bar is. It's basically not a timed bar. It basically says the bar has to have so many ticks before it's going to change, and this is set on 8 ticks. So that's what this is. I'm really excited to do this in the live trading room. Did I say a live trading room? Yes, I did, traders. We're in currently negotiations with Indicator Warehouse, where this is from. It's no secret. And we're looking, and we're like 99% that we're on the right path. Me and the owner have been in conversation for hours for the last several days. And we are looking to launch a live trading room, and we're going to do the London Open. So London Open probably for about 3 hours. So that's what we're looking at doing and getting this live. And I'm really excited. And at this point, I'm really pushing that this is going to be a free trading room, because as much as we're going to do the DTS system, I'm still going to trade on regular charts. So people who do not have the system will see normal candlesticks and can trade whatever platform they're using. Alrighty. All right, traders. I know we're running. Oh, we're doing okay. We're running at 12 minutes now. Just to let you know that I do trade on the NinjaTrader platform. I traded live on the NinjaTrader platform. This is my live account that I took this trade on, and absolutely beautiful. It was nice waking up this morning to being in profit. I waited 3 hours for this trade setup to take place, and it finally did. So if you're not currently familiar with the NinjaTrader platform, go to ninjatrader.com and take a look. I think they give you a month trial, and just check it out. It's just unbelievable. It's a great trading platform. And traders, I don't make anything by telling you that. I'm telling you it because it's a great platform to trade, and if you're going to be professional, whether you're doing this part-time or full-time, you might as well have professional tools, right? All right. Well, that's enough on that. I really went jabby-jawed on that one, didn't I? So, thank you, my friends. I'm glad I was able to get a video up today. I know I put a message on my website. Wasn't sure I was going to get a video up today. It's been really hectic, but we did get one up. And thank you, my friends, for sticking with me. Remember to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This way, every time I put a video up, you will get an email stating I have a video up. And always follow me on tradingwithbill.com. I update, I put messages. If I don't put a video up, you will know why. Everything's up on there. I update it all the time. All right, traders. Thanks so much. Coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. You guys have a great trading day and grab those profits. Okay, ciao for now. Bye-bye.